have over 10 amazing Dollar Tree organizing tips and tricks that you are gonna wanna know. And this is not junk, my friend. I run a professional cleaning and organizing business, so I am bringing you the best of the best on a budget, of course. And if I would not use these in my clients' homes, I would not show them to you. No one will know that you paid $1.25 for the majority of these items. Starting off with our acrylic organizer. These can add up in price, particularly on Amazon. So when I found this at the Dollar Tree, you better believe I was running up and down those aisles. So many different things that you can put in these organizers. I love that they're clear so you can see what is inside. I decided to organize all the screws that I have in my house. I'm also going to put some nails in here. I love that it has a nice secure lid. That way none of my little ones can get their sticky fingers on these nails. So many different options for what you could put in here. You could put hair ties, you could put some cotton balls, you could put candies. The possibilities are endless. I love that they're also stackable. You might have seen these pot holders before at your local Dollar Tree. However, we're not going to use it for pot holders. It certainly works, but I like to use it for smaller handbags, purses, and clutches. You can actually fit a bunch of different items in here. You can see it looks organized, it looks cute, it looks chic, and it does not look cheap. If you want a great way to display your clutches, this is it. I love the candy jars at the Dollar Tree, but not just for candy. Hair ties, hair scrunchies, any sort of hair bow. This is a great way to organize it, make it look cute, and display it if you want to on your countertop. Or you could also put it in a cabinet to keep it concealed but be available for easy access. I just love when you can open up a cabinet and it's nice and organized, and this is a great way to do it. I'm going to show you some alternative tricks when it comes to these candy jars a little bit later in the video. With 4 kids, 6 people in this house, we have a ton of toothbrushes and toothbrush accessories. I got sick of having them roll around in my drawer, so I went ahead and grabbed a utensil tray. Yes, a nice white one. And then I just used some easy tape. I bought this on Amazon, but Dollar Tree does have a smaller version available for you. And I just stuck it to the bottom of the utensil drawer. That way it was not going to slide back and forth. And you can see here it is looking so nice and organized. I can put so many different items in this utensil drawer. We have room in the back, we have room on the side. Again, opening this drawer, getting excited. Thumbs up if you enjoy that. Moving to the back of the drawer, one of the banes of my existence. I hate when that drawer slides around inside. I've tried a variety of options. The pool noodle looks great. However, after time, it starts to break down a bit. I've also used some floral foam. That worked great too. But I wanted to try this elongated storage container so I could make use of it fully. You can see here I'm putting all kinds of straws and different water bottle accessories in there. These are items particularly that I do not want my 2-year-old to get into. So now I have really maximized the space, and I've solved a problem with that utensil drawer moving back and forth within the drawer. Got a sleeping bag laying around. You know how difficult it is to roll that sleeping bag back up on itself with those little bungees? There's no way my 4 kids are able to roll up the sleeping bags on their own, but not anymore. You're gonna grab yourself a Dollar Tree steering wheel cover. They have a variety of colors. They have red, and they have this white one that you can see here, but it's such an easy way to roll that sleeping bag up nice and compact. Save yourself some time. No longer will you break a sweat when you're trying to get that sleeping bag back in its holster. One of the best ways to maximize space other than decluttering is to maximize the vertical space. So grab one of these Dollar Tree risers. You can use these in your pantry, you can use them in your kitchen, but I want to use them here in my bathroom. I want to be able to raise the garbage can for easier access, but then I also wanted to put some of my bath and spa items underneath. You can see that this has worked great. It is sturdy for something small like this. Now when my cupboards are all nice and organized, I'm more motivated to keep them that way. Dollar Tree has carabiners, but we're not going to use it for carabining purposes. What I like to do is use this for hair ties. That way you could easily keep your hair ties together in your car, in a backpack, in a purse, in a drawer, wherever you like to keep your hair ties. What's nice about this is it's easy to access. You could also clip it on a gym bag. Because of the carabiner, you can easily put on the hair ties and remove whatever hair tie you desire. With 2 little girls in my home, we have a lot of hair supply, so if I can find some clever ways to organize everything nicely, I'm all for it. Some of the over-the-door hangers at Dollar Tree are not that great, but I do like this metal one. It's nice because it is adjustable, so you can make it fit your door so it's not scraping the top of it, if you know what I mean. I like using this one in my laundry room. Yes, so that way I can hang things to dry, delicates, swimsuits, my daughter's ballet and dance wear gear. But not only can you hang delicates in your laundry room, you basically have a built-in clothesline to some extent. You can use this to hang bags, purses. You could even hang your Swiffer, your broom, any sort of cleaning supply that you want off the ground. Now this was a real gem here at Dollar Tree. These scarf hangers, and the multiple colors that were available. I am so excited. Thank you, Dollar Tree. Now you certainly could use this for hanging scarves, but what I like to do is actually maximize space in my closet because I do not have a dresser. Everything I have is hung up or in a bin. I like to use it for tank tops because I tend to accumulate quite a few of those. Another great alternative for these hangers is for organizing your belt. And you can see here there are a variety of hooks available, so if you like to collect a lot of belts, this is for you. And then I also wanted to try it with hanging up jewelry. A lot of times if your jewelry is in a jewelry box, you forget that it's there and you may not wear it as often. So I like to hang my necklaces on this. This is a great way to display them, a great way to see them, and no more tangles. I want to give a huge shout out to Monica. Thank you so much for your coffee. Cheers, my friend. Also a huge thanks for the super thanks from Consuelo, Lynn, and Gwen. I appreciate you all so much, your generosity and your kindness. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. In the kitchen section, I found these beautiful silver trays, and I've used this for cupcakes in my kitchen, which was fun if you wanted to do a nice breakfast in bed, but I also like using it in my bathroom. A great place to keep everything together, organized, looking pretty. And I just like to put items on this tray that I use on a regular basis. What's also really nice about this tray is when you need to clean underneath it, rather than having to lift each individual item off your counter to clean underneath, all you have to do is lift the tray. Coming back to those scrumptious, beautiful candy jars. Man, this is one of my favorite Dollar Tree organizing items because it is so cute, and oftentimes Dollar Tree will sell some really large ones. I like to take relaxing baths several times per week, and what a great way to display my bath salts. Or you could also put some bath bombs in here. And then I just got these little scoopers also at the Dollar Tree in the party wear section. The nice thing about this too is it also saves space rather than having those Dr. Teal's bath salt bags laying around in your cupboard. And when it looks cute, I'm more likely to use it. Let me know in that comments box below if you can relate to that one. I finally found one of these cabinet over the door extendable hangers at my local Dollar Tree. And oftentimes people will use this for paper towels, and that's a great idea. Sometimes cleaning supplies, however, I don't love that option. What I wanted to use this for is to hold plastic bags. Yeah, so all I did is grab some Dollar Tree shower rings. Dollar Tree carries a couple varieties when it comes to these rings, and then the mesh bag. I collect so many plastic bags for when I do Target grocery pickup orders, so I need a great way to reuse them. So I use this over the door hanger and then clipped everything together, and it easily opens and closes. And because it's a closed door, I'm not overly particular on what this looks like. I've bought something previously from Amazon, and I have saved myself a bundle with the Dollar Tree knockoff version. Sticking with the mesh bags, oh man, this is probably my top 3 of favorite Dollar Tree organizing items as well. Kids' socks. Here's a great way to keep those socks organized. Have your kids put their socks in one of these mesh bags, and then go ahead and wash your laundry as you normally would with the socks in the bag, and then put everything in the dryer. And when you're ready to put your socks together, well, lo and behold, they're washed and everything is nice in the bag. No more sorting socks or trying to figure out whose socks are whose. These plastic organizers for Dollar Tree also had me running up and down the aisles. Just kidding. But I definitely felt like it. What's nice about these is they actually connect. Yeah, so if you wanted to put these in a cabinet or cupboard and you wanted them all interconnected, well, this is for you. I like to put some chapsticks in these. We tend to accumulate quite a few of those, particularly living in a colder weather climate. You can also use this to organize all of those charging cords for your earbuds, your phone, your watches, all the things. How about chip clips? That's another item that many of us tend to accumulate quite a few of. Now, I no longer have a junk drawer with these items taking over. They're neatly organized in these plastic organizers. Not all baskets at Dollar Tree are created equal or are great, but these woven ones, I am loving them. These are super sturdy. I had an organizing project in one of my clients' homes. Under her sink got to be a bit unbearable with all the products that she had. So I found a great way to use these Dollar Tree baskets to contain everything. So not only does it look nice, but she can easily access the items that she uses on a regular basis. I recently reorganized my closet using mostly Amazon products, which I now regret because Dollar Tree sells these velvet hangers. Yes, I have almost the exact same ones in my closet. And price per hanger is much cheaper than the ones that I purchased on Amazon. The velvet hangers are sleek. You have more room in your closet. It also helps because they are non-slip. So if you're looking to upgrade your closet, 1, declutter it, and then 2, get yourself some matching hangers on a budget. These magazine holders, at least that's what they look like to me. You could also use this to store your papers, but I wanted to up-level this a bit more. I wanted a place to store all of our snack bags and our tin foils and our plastic wraps, and I wanted a way that I could easily pull it in and out of my pantry should I need to. And again, because we are maximizing that vertical space, I can put quite a few items in here. And it doesn't look cheap and it doesn't look gaudy. This next one might come as a real surprise. Grab yourself some Dollar Tree ice cube trays. I went with the white version. They do sell a blue version. 2 come in a pack. And my necklaces were not very organized, and I wanted a better way to utilize them so that I would wear them more often. So what I did is I put all of my gold necklaces in here and my gold bracelets. And I put this inside of the drawer that I use on an everyday basis next to me when I'm getting ready in the morning. And because it's inside the drawer, that makes me happy because I wouldn't typically want an ice cube tray hanging out on my counter, although you certainly could. But now I could easily open my drawer, pick up my necklace, and then shut the drawer. Nothing's getting tangled, and it's so nice and organized and has created more space. You could also use the same concept in your office drawer, or maybe you also had a junk drawer in your home. You can put paper clips in here. You could put, I don't know, what else? Push pins, little trinkets that you tend to accumulate inside of your desk drawers. Again, opening up that drawer, you can easily access what you need, and it looks so nice. Ooh, this next item, this is used all throughout my home. I find it in the automotive section, typically at the Dollar Tree, but it's these tool storage boxes. Now, you certainly could put tools in here, but what I like to put in here are all the batteries that we accumulate in my house. This is amazing. Like this makes me very happy with all these organized batteries. Also, it keeps my children out of them. Not only can you use a storage box to organize your batteries, but you can use this to organize all of your hair things, all of your accessories. If you have nieces, nephews, grandkids, or children, this is a great option. You can pull it easily in and out of a drawer. I use this legit every single day for my daughter's hair. Moving into the school supplies / office section, you will find these upright storage containers. They come in a variety of colors. We have a mint green and sort of this buffalo check. I use this to organize a junk cabinet that I had in my kitchen that I had scissors and chapsticks and pens and pencils and all of the things. But you could also use this in a bathroom if you have a lot of lipsticks, a lot of lip glosses. It's great because you can easily see the items. They look so nice and organized, and again, you're maximizing the space that you have available to you. And then I thought it'd be fun to just put some candy on here. You could put this on your desk, you could put this on entryway, you could put this basically anywhere. Although I don't tend to keep this on my desk because I would just want to eat these lollipops all day long. Going back to the shower rings for a second, again, maximizing some space. I bought some hat hangers from Amazon, but no need to spend your precious dollars. All you need to do is take a hanger and then put these shower rings along the hanger, and then you can hook your hats on it. Yes, if you tend to accumulate a lot of hats, which we do, that's something my husband absolutely loves. You can also use this to organize, you guessed it, your tank tops. So you can maximize the space within your closet, but make it easy so that you can see all the tank tops that you have. What's also nice about this is it makes it much easier when you are putting clothes away. No need to fold anything. All you have to do is clip it on these shower rings and tuck it in your closet. And because of how it's tucked in your closet, it's easily accessible and it looks nice. We need to come back to these mesh bags for one last time. If you have not purchased these, you absolutely need to get them and save yourself a ton of money of where you would find these elsewhere. 2 come in a pack at the Dollar Tree. I'm loving these to store all of the plastic bags. You could keep this in your car. Yes, if you needed to throw something away, somebody had an accident, or maybe you are on a road trip and you want a place that people can store all their garbage till you get to the next rest stop area. Not only could you put garbage in here if you wanted to, you could use this to put travel snacks. Easily access those snacks. That way you're not going through the drive-thru and getting all the greasy goodness that's easily available to you. You can just grab one of your healthy pre-packed snacks because it is just at your fingertips and it looks so nice and organized. I love doing giveaways and giving things back to you and my community. So if you want to be the first to know when I am doing a giveaway, make sure you click that link in the description box so that you sign up for the weekly cleaning and life hack newsletter. It is completely free to you. All you have to do is put your name and your email address. I do not share your information with anyone. It's just a great way to stay connected and also, again, allow me to let you know when I'm giving some fantastic prizes and cash away for you. If you want to see some additional clever Dollar Tree tips and tricks, click the video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.